We have with us here in Toronto Ramesh Sippy, director of the iconic Hindi movie from 1975 Sholay, and Sholay is being screened here at the Toronto International Film Festival. Such a pleasure to have you, Ramesh ji, on DD India. We know that 50 years of Sholay is what we are celebrating, and also 50 years of TIFF. So how do you see this synergy?
I think it's a wonderful feeling, and that to learn that it is TIFF's 50th anniversary as well as Sholay. So Sholay and TIFF got off in the same year. Wonderful. And I do believe that NFDC too is celebrating its 50th year. So I don't know, I think I'm lucky to be part of this triple golden celebration.
It's no wonder that, there has been events arranged or organized around the world to commemorate Sholay, because Sholay is not just a film, it's become a cultural phenomena. It's part of popular culture. We all say dialogues from Sholay to our friends. So tell us about some impressions that you have from the making of Sholay or related to Sholay, if you could share that with our viewers.
The dialogues of Sholay are still resonating in a lot of households. And the lines of Gabbar, written by Salim Javed, are also used in so many different situations. It comes very handy, like "Ab tera kya hoga Kalia." So, and it has no relevance when spoken. It's not about Sholay or about something, but it's just a byline which comes through and everybody reacts because the memory of Sholay is in everybody's heart and mind.
Also tell us about the restoration work, how painstaking was that, how long did that take, and I understand there are 6 minutes extra now in the movie that is going to be screened.
The restoration, I'm sure, is definitely good because it puts it in it revives and revitalizes the original film. And some of the additions are really, moments that were removed from the film at the time of release 50 years ago. And they have been put back, so it's just restoring whatever there was originally back into the film where it belongs.
So thank you so much, Ramesh ji, for speaking to us on DD India. That was an exclusive conversation with Ramesh Sippy, the director of Sholay, with cameraman YK Loknath. This is Munmun Bhattacharya from Toronto for DD India.